Call these two.
This one. Oh, good. Now's a good time. They're gone. Okay. I'll just stay here where his shoe is.
Yeah, you'll go play with Karen's shoe.
Come here, give my shoe. Give my shoe. Give my shoe. There you go.
Come on, little girl. Go over there with the other ones.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Perfect.
Come here. Get the shoe. Get the shoe. Oh, y'all are in trouble. Are y'all in trouble for chewing up pictures? Don't you want some pictures?
Okay, tell us about them, Karen. When were they born? Little camera hog. You little camera hog.
They were born April the 26th. They are 7 weeks old. There are 3 girls, 1 little boy. This one here is the little boy. Yes, you are. And then this is the little runt. And this is another big little girl. And this is Big Mama.
Big Mama.
That's Big Mama. She's the biggest. And this one is the littlest. And this is Big Brother Rudy.
Hi, Rudy Tooty.